What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. I'd like to comment on one of our viewers' messages that he sent us 2 days ago. His name is Raphahxb, and he says, You don't understand anything about cycles. And well, by the way, let me explain. Let me give you some background explanation on this. First of all, I was talking about the Bitcoin price for the next like few months to come, and then I was mentioning that Bitcoin has reached about close to 100K, but not 100K yet. It was like 99K, and I was saying that once it reaches, and first of all, I'm not even sure if it's going to reach or not, but it's more likely that it's going to reach. And if it does, what I was talking about it was that once it reaches 100K US dollars per Bitcoin, there would be a huge collapse, like a huge drop on the Bitcoin price, because there are a lot of automated scripts, a lot of positions that are automatically set to be triggered to close the existing positions at 100K. And this is not only me who is saying this, a lot of other people are saying the same thing, that there are a lot of automated scripts out there, not only by individuals, but by institutions. And those scripts are going to trigger like this. The moment the Bitcoin price reaches 100K. And that's why I said there will be a huge collapse on the price. And first of all, this guy is saying that I don't understand about cycles, which is true. I don't understand about cryptocurrency cycles, but I do understand about FX cycles because I have a lot of experience, trading FX. And I do agree with you. I don't understand about Bitcoin cycles. I don't understand about crypto cycles. I was commenting on the Bitcoin price as an amateur on cryptocurrency. And that I've admitted a lot of times here on my channel that I'm not really a professional trader when it comes to Bitcoin. I said many times. And this guy is saying that there may be a drop, but it doesn't mean it will be 100K. It will be between 100K and 108K, which is fair enough. Like, I agree with you. If you say like, okay, it's going to be like between 100 and 108. That's 8% difference, which is fair enough. I think it could go all the way up to 108, maybe even 110. Okay, maybe even 110, because that gives us 10% discrepancy, and 10% discrepancy is not that far from what I said, right? In terms of FX, it's not that much difference. In terms of crypto, is not that much difference. I think 10% of margin of error is still acceptable. Okay. When it comes to something that's already priced at 100K, right? So if I say 108K, is still acceptable, I think. And then he says, but it will be a quick drop. That's the part that's the part where I don't really agree with you. I don't think it's going to be a quick drop. So I don't think it's going to reach like 108K and then drop a bit to, I don't know, back to 100 or back to 90 to then go up again. I don't think it's going to be a quick drop. I think it's going to take at least a year, from 1 year to 1.5 years, so 1 year and 6 months at least, because that's the amount of time it took the last big drop, right? The last big drop, it took 1 year and 6 months to recover. So, and that I've explained in my last video. So this guy is saying whoever thinks he will enter a bear market will regret it. I disagree. I think we are going to experience a bear market soon, very soon. Okay, so I disagree with you. You will never see BTC below 40K again. I totally disagree with you. I think not only we are going to see BTC below 40K again, this is very likely, and it could drop even to 30K. So last time in my last video, I said between 30K and 35K, And some other like famous people even said like 5K. Like if you see, there is this article and it talks about Robert Kiyosaki and says that Robert Kiyosaki predicts everything crash, Bitcoin may drop to 5K amid market collapse. So see, like as you see, right? Robert Kiyosaki, like a million times more famous than me, a million times more experienced than me when it comes to investing. Robert Kiyosaki is saying, like he's even more pessimistic than I am. He's saying Bitcoin could drop to 5K. Okay, so I'm still optimistic. I'm still saying like from 30 to 35K. And then this guy says, not even in the bear market, stop spreading misinformation. I'm not spreading misinformation, I'm just spreading my own opinion. And I'm saying last time in my last video, I said I could be wrong, right? So it's not misinformation. Saying the BTC has a great chance of returning to 15K. Yeah, I repeat it, like it could return, it could drop again to 15K again, why not, right? So I'm saying in this cycle, I'm calculating, like my estimation is between 30K and 35K. But if it goes all the way down to 15K again, I'm not surprised. I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised because that's the price it reached in the last cycle. The last cycle when we experienced the bear market, it dropped all the way to 15K. So why not? It could go again, right? Or it could go even lower than that. So I'm not like you know that if you have a cycle, right, it's more likely that it's going to repeat. Like sometimes it doesn't, but a lot of times it does, and that's why we have this in FX, in forex, in stocks, and even in crypto. We have this terminology called double bottom, right? So a double bottom pattern could happen again, right? So let's not kill this possibility. It is possible. And that's my opinion, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. And if you agree with what Raphahxb is saying, if you agree with him or not, or if you agree with me, please let me know and see you guys in my next video. Thanks and goodbye.